Hello, welcome to a brief tutorial on how to use Windows Movie Maker with Windows 7. Go down to the lower left corner and click on the Start menu. Then click on All Programs. You should see Movie Maker listed amongst the programs that you have installed on your computer. Click on that. When you bring it up, you will now notice you have several options. The first step we need to do is to add videos and photos to our movie. I can add videos or photos by clicking on the upper left icon that says Add Videos and Photos, or going down to the lower right section and click here to browse for videos or photos as well. Once I've clicked on this, I can go between any folders or icons that I might have my videos and photos stored. In this case, I've already got 7 photos stored in my picture folder. I can simply highlight these photos, and as you can see, I've already pre-labeled them step 1 through step 7. I click open, and I can check my order by simply hovering the mouse over each photo to make sure step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are in order. If they weren't in order, I can change them simply by clicking on the photo and dragging it to wherever I want to put it. If you hover over a photo, you will see the duration is set for 7 seconds for each photo. You can change this by clicking on a photo and then clicking the Edit button, which is right underneath Video Tools. After you've clicked Edit, you will see Duration and 7 seconds. If you want to make it longer or shorter, you can simply by just clicking on this drop-down menu and dragging it down to 1 second, or you can even increase it up to 30. In this case, we're going to say 1 second for each one. As you'll note, each time I change the duration of my photo, it also changes the duration of the movie. Now that I have the duration of my photos changed, I click on my home button, and I might want to add a title screen. I can add my title screen by clicking right here where it says Title. I drag my title to the front of the movie, and I can enter my text here by simply clicking and typing Sample Movie. If I wish to add narration, I can by clicking my home and then click right here to record narration. When I click record, it will then begin recording my voice. So right now I'm also recording a narration for this movie. When I'm finished, I click on the stop button and I'll save my narration to the desktop, and I'm going to leave it with its default name of Narration 1. I'm going to save it as a Windows Media audio file and click Save. As you can see, the narration goes as long as I wish it to be. I can also drag and drop this narration, and if I let go, I can just simply move it around as I see fit in my movie. In this case, I'm just going to leave it right here. And if I wish to add credits, I can click Credits, and I might say Director Matthew Doan, and so on. I can change the animations by clicking on Animation. For each of my movies or my slides, and I'm going to have something different each time. Now, if I want to preview my movie, I can drag my slider all the way to the start and click the play button. And as you can see, it says sample movie. We have my animations. And there's the end. Obviously, we didn't hear my narration due to the fact that I'm recording my voice with Camtasia right now. With that, I simply click home, and to produce my movie, I go right over here to the upper right corner and click on Save Movie. I now have several choices. In this case, I want to click Recommended for this project. I can now type in the name of my movie, so I'm going to say My Movie. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And if I click on Save as Type, I have the option of saving it as an MPEG-4 or a Windows Movie video file. In this case, I'm going to leave it saved as the MPEG-4. I click Save and wait. And as we can see, I can play my video file now, or open the folder that it's in. In this case, I'm going to click play. And there you have it, a stunning movie. Now if I wanted to alter this movie, if I figured I made some mistakes, I can simply close the Windows Movie Player and go back to my project here. In this case, I might notice that I have a small problem with my narration. So I click on the narration and hit the delete button, or the remove button right here. I've now removed my narration due to the fact that Camtasia is utilizing my microphone. Once I stop using Camtasia, I could record another narration and add this to my movie. I can also remove slides that I might feel don't contribute to my movie simply by selecting the slide by clicking on it and then clicking the remove button. I can add captions, I could add a webcam video, and I can also add music. Very similar to adding extra slides or adding narrations. If I wish to add another slide, I can simply go right over here and click Add Videos and Photos. Then select the video or photo that I might need to add and click Open. And there you have it, a very base tutorial on how to use Windows Movie Maker.